This is the Lily 2 in the always-on ambient screen mode with an AMOLED screen on this one. Twist your wrist, you can light it back up into whichever watch face you choose, and there's a whole variety of them to pick. Yep, it's a beautiful watch. Slide down, you get all these different controls, including changing brightness, do not disturb, Bluetooth calling with audio streaming. You got a nice bright flashlight you can use at night if you need to. You also have information on the watch, system settings, and you can find your phone if you happen to have left it behind somewhere. Swipe up, you get messages sent from your phone if you have any. A little pull-out tab shows you your basic information, including phone call, weather in your area, and most recently used apps. Here, you got your step count information for the day, calories burned, distance traveled, the hourly step rate, and a comparison for the last 7 days is shown as well. Here you have your heart rate, continuous if you have that turned on, 24-hour heart rate. It'll take an instant measuring. Last night's sleep information and a 7-day sleep chart as well. And then you've got weather in your area with the current conditions and your temperature, centigrade, Celsius, Fahrenheit, whatever you like. Music player pops up. It'll stream music from your phone directly to the watch, and you can control it right here. And your different working out activities. There's a lot to choose from that you can download from the app. No GPS in the watch directly, but you got all of those things as well. Now, come in here, and you got all kinds of different apps. You've got all of your telephone stuff, your dialing of your phone calls, contacts, and call records. You have Siri access in this one. Your basic workouts and records are here. Heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, sleep time, all of that. Ladies, your cycle information can be stored in here, and you can call it up at any time. Breath training for relaxation, a stopwatch, timers, yeah, all the basic stuff, calendars, calculators, even a remote camera capability in here. In settings, you can set time directly on the watch. You can change your display. Even your overall menu style is available. It comes with a nice little narrow band, and of course it's a small size screen. So perfect for a youngster or lady. Bluetooth calling like I mentioned. It's a really sweet watch. It's called, what? The Lily 2. Check it out.